Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JEE NEET. Today topic is we are going to discuss photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? H. Hertz performed a very interesting experiment in which electrons were emitted when a certain metals such as potassium, cesium, rubidium, etc. were exposed to light. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect. What is the meaning? When light is exposed to these metals, these are ejecting some electrons. This phenomena is known as photoelectric effect. Another definition, the photoelectric effect is process that involves the ejection or release of electrons from the surface of materials, generally metals, when a light falls on them. Okay, one animation you can see here. This is the equipment of photoelectric effect. Here one cathode is there, one anode is there. The anode is a metal surface. Okay, see this. When light is falling on this cesium, potassium, sodium or rubidium metal surface, how it is ejecting electron, you can see clearly. See, those electrons are detector is detecting, means that is absorbing that electrons, and this electron flow is there. So in the emitter you can see the power observations. The electrons are ejected from the metal surface as soon as the beam of light strikes the surface. That means there is no time lag between striking of light and the ejection of electron from the metal surface. If the metal surface ये है, when light is falling here, immediately ejecting the electron. This is the photon, not proton, it is a photon. This is a light. It has some energy, E, that equal H nu also. Right? The number of photoelectrons ejected is proportional to the intensity of the brightness of light. Intensity means bunch, more. See here, more intense light is there. It's more intense light while falling, maximum electrons are releasing. Here less intensity of light is falling on the metal surface, less number of electrons are releasing. Okay, intensity is telling that maximum rays, more rays, the quantity of rays. For each metal there is a characteristic minimum frequency nu naught called threshold frequency to cause photoelectric effect. To release the electron, each metal has different wavelength is required, depends on their ionization potential value. Right? See here, first of all, intensity related one graph is there. If you increase the intensity, high intensity is there, then number of electrons are more, low intensity is there, so number of electrons are less. Okay, next we are talking about see the last point again. For each metal there is a characteristic minimum frequency nu naught called threshold frequency. For the threshold frequency you can see here figure. See, the potassium is there, while hitting this 4.6 into 10 power 14, 10 power 14, that is 4.6 into the energy, the frequency, then there is no ejection of electron. But whenever 5.1 or 5.2 in between, 5.1 to 5.2 is there, then into 10 power 14 is the common. That frequency of light is falling on the metal surface, then ejecting the electron. So minimum this much energy is required. That's why this is known as 5.0. 5 into 10 power 14 Hertz is the threshold frequency. Threshold frequency means minimum frequency is required to eject the electron from metal surface. Okay. Now the condition first, if nu, the frequency, the x or x light frequency nu, if the nu is less than nu naught, then the photoelectric effect does not takes place. Okay, minimum nu naught chahiye. So see here, nu equal nu naught is there, then the photoelectric effect takes place, but photoelectron has zero kinetic energy, just ejecting that electron. Okay, suppose nu is higher than the nu naught is there, then the photoelectric takes place, photoelectric effect takes place, and photoelectron has a particular kinetic energy. Okay, this is the thing. Kinetic energy of photoelectron depends upon the frequency of the radiation striking the metal surface and is independent of intensity of radiation. Independent of intensity is the important point, very important point. Intensity पे depend नहीं होता है kinetic energy. This electron energy is kinetic energy. This electron kinetic energy depends on how much more energy is there. इस पे depend होगा, लेकिन how many photons are coming उस पे depend नहीं होगा. That means intensity पे depend नहीं होता है kinetic energy. It is depends on only photon energy. This is the energy means of course energy पे depend होगा. Right? Then photoelectric effect is the evidence of particle nature of light. The kinetic energy of photoelectron is given by Ke equal to half mv square, then that equal to h into nu minus nu naught. How this formula came, I will explain you. See here, metal surface is there, one light is falling, and this is the ejected electron, right? This is the E energy, electron is falling on the metal surface. So this electron kinetic energy is Ke. Okay, so some amount of energy is consuming here, that is I can say E naught or W naught. This is known as work function. Work function. Okay, some amount of energy is released. So then the remaining energy is converting into kinetic energy. So E equal, I can write the formula E naught plus Ke as well. I can write it W naught plus Ke. This is the photoelectric effect formula. Here W naught equal to nothing but H nu naught. H nu naught. Because W naught is nothing but E naught. E naught means that is equal to H nu naught. What is nu naught? Nu naught is the minimum frequencies required to eject the electron, that is also known as threshold frequency, just before we discussed. Threshold frequency. Okay, so that much energy is required, W naught is required. The remaining amount of energy is converting into kinetic energy. Now you can see here kinetic energy of electron, photoelectron. The frequency, minimum frequency is required nu naught. उससे ज़्यादा frequency आई तो it is converting into kinetic energy. Same formula here. If nu naught is increasing, nu naught से ज़्यादा है तो this equal to h nu, this equal to h, this one equal to h nu naught. Okay, this is the half mv square. K is nothing but half mv square. K equal to half into mv square. K equal to half mv square. Right? H nu naught. Number of electrons ejected. You can see here lower intensity is there. So less number of electron, higher intensity is there, more number of electrons ejecting. So here Einstein, he explained properly. The explanation of photoelectric effect was done by Sir Einstein with the help of quantum theory of electromagnetic radiation. Photoelectric effect was explained. In the last video we discussed what is electromagnetic radiation, quantum theory or a Planck quantum theory we explained. When a metal surface is irradiated with a light of certain frequency called threshold frequency, the energy of the radiation is transferred to electrons of the metal atom. It results in ejection of electron. Okay, same points we are discussing again. It results in ejection or emission of photoelectrons. Let the energy of the radiation be E equal h nu. If nu frequency, if it is greater than the nu naught threshold frequency, some amount of the energy transferred is required to overcome the electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence shell electrons. This energy spent is called work function. See here, metal is there, suppose sodium is there or potassium is there, here electron is there. While light is falling on this, to eject this electron, we know that ionization energy. Okay, here also it is not exactly this energy is equal to ionization energy, because ionization energy is, belongs to gaseous state atom. From the gaseous state atom, we have to remove the electron. So it is a note point. It is not equal to ionization energy. It is like ionization energy, similar to. So to remove this electron, we need some energy, because in between nucleus and electron, electrostatic stronger forces are there. To overcome that, we need some energy. So here some amount of energy is consumed. Suppose if it is 100 joules of energy is there, the consumption is 20 joules is there, then 80 joules of energy is converting into kinetic energy. So kabhi bhi this falling energy is equal to consumed energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, that's why our formula is E equal to E naught plus K. So E naught or W naught, you can write it same, both are same. So this W means work चल रहा है इसलिए work function W naught. The remaining part of the energy is the ejected electron as kinetic energy. Yes, we are talking here only. 100 में 20 consumed, the remaining 80 is ejected as a kinetic energy. Next. Thus, a total energy of the radiation absorbed by the metal atom is sum of the work function and kinetic energy. You can see h nu equal W plus K. Then h nu equal W plus half mv square. Here W equal to work function, W equal to h nu naught. This is the minimum energy required. Then h nu equal h nu naught plus half mv square. What we written there, h equal W naught plus K. So K means half mv square, W naught means h nu naught E equal to h nu. So after substituting those values, you can take the common h, nu minus nu naught, then nu equal to c by lambda. In the last class we discussed frequency equal to light velocity by wavelength. So if you apply here c by lambda naught, then hc we can take common 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught, where m is the mass of the electron, v is the velocity of the photoelectron, then therefore greater the intensity of the radiation, higher the photoelectric current. Stopping potential. The stopping potential is defined as the potential necessary to stop any electron from reaching the other side. See, in the photoelectric effect, have you seen the figure? So here cathode is there, anode is there, light is falling on this plate, electron is ejecting. So electron is moving like this. If you want to stop this electron, you have to create some electric field. Okay, some potential variation you have to apply, potential opposite. So I am applying here positive potential here, positive cation, positive electrode I kept here. Then I applied I kept here big battery. So I want to stop this electron. Okay, Even I am stopping this electron means I applied the voltage is equal to this electron, So here the kinetic energy is equal to E into V. The charge on electron into voltage, how much voltage I applied. Whenever this EV equal to KE, then only this electron will stop. This electron will stop here, otherwise it will reach. Suppose if you apply extra, then electron will come back. Okay, so electron stopped here means we applied the voltage into charge equal to the kinetic energy. From this, so kinetic energy already we proved that K equal h nu minus W naught, that is the work function. So Ke के जगह पे I can write it EV stopping potential. So h nu minus W naught as it is. So V potential equal to h nu minus W naught by E. This is the one more formula. So stopping potential depends on frequency and work function. Okay. Now question, everyone, try to calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted from a surface of a metal when a radiation of frequency is given. This hits the metal. The work function of the metal is given. See here, this is the radiation of frequency 5.5 into 10 power 17 is there. Just you convert into E. So nu is given. So E first you calculate it, right? It is the metal. Work function already is given. Work function W naught is given. Okay. Then you have to calculate this Ke, right? If you calculate this E, then E तो इधर से आगे आएगा, E equal W naught plus Ke. So K W naught already given. Ke you will calculate. So E value you will get from here. Step 1, first you have to calculate E, then Ke step 2 में हो जाएगा. You can see here the first is a formula Ke equal h nu minus W naught. Otherwise you can write the same formula like this also. E equal h nu naught plus Ke. This h nu naught is nothing but W naught plus Ke. W naught हो जाता है, Ke को as it is लिखा हुआ है. So ये दोनों फार्मूला में any formula you can write it. Right here, then K we are finding. Before that you have to calculate E. So E तो calculate किया है इधर. See here, K equal h nu. This is only E. So this h Planck constant nu is given value minus W naught. W naught also given. Okay, this is the answer. Next, I am giving two questions. Everyone solve these two questions. You can make it pause. Answer also this one is given. Okay. Solve this question and share me the solution. Thank you.